Here I have HUAWEI P40 Pro and let me show you how to delete the eSIM from this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here settings. From the settings, let's just find the search and let's enter the eSIM. Alright. Let's tap on your eSIM. You have to disable the eSIM at first. And tap delete. Let me tap I understand and choose delete one more time. The phone is deleting profile. And that's it. So you just delete the eSIM from your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.